Hi, my name is Chris Bethel. I work at Hills Flat Lumber, and I'm here today to show you the quickest, simplest way to rethread your string trimmer. First main parts, you have the basket, the cap, and the spool which holds the line. Necessary tools: a set of side cutters works really good, or a pocket knife, something that can cut the string trimmer line, and a flat blade screwdriver to take all of this apart once you get it off the trimmer. To start with, you grab your spool, the pre-cut trimmer line. There is a slot. It's hard to see, but there's a slot inside on the top spool. Always do the top spool first. Plug the string trimmer line into the slot, winding it following the arrows on the bottom of the spool. There are two notches in the top surface. Wind till you reach the notch, plug the string in, and that holds it in place. Grab the other half of the pre-cut line, into the slot, it's just like the other one, and no matter what anybody tells you, they always wind in the same direction. Bring this one around to the opposite side, so that now your string trimmer head looks like this. There are tabs in the bottom of the basket, or tabs on the spool, notches in the bottom of the basket. Push the basket in, spring load it down, twist it till the slots line up with the strings, pull the strings into the slots, grab your cap, line up the notches, plug it together, give the strings a pull. If you have any questions, feel free to call us or bring it down to Hills Flat. We'll spool it for you.